Hello, my name is Paul Palmikala, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the 5 R's and how my school and school district implements them. First, this is the framework, according to Kansas State, of the framework of the 5 R's, and I'll be talking about each one individually. First is relationships. My school is a gifted and talented 2 to 8 school located in Passaic, New Jersey. It is a public gifted and talented school where students may test in. We have only been open, we've just finished our 3rd year, so as relationships, our main goal will be to implement programs such as we had Olympic night, which invited 3rd and 4th grade parents to have gym class in the evening, as well as pajamas and cookies and milk with 2nd grade parents. So those are some of the ways our school is implementing relationships. Relevance. As of now, our school's curriculum is the general Passaic district. We are using that now and also trying different types of rigorous type of curriculum to advance our students as they grow in our school. Responsiveness, we have a strong leadership. We have 1 principal as well as 2 vice principals in our school, and they do a really good job communicating together to ensure that both staff and students understand procedures and expectations of the school. In talking to my building principal, this he felt was our strongest attribute out of the 5 R's, and that is because our 8th grade students are taking 9th grade classes, and some are taking actually 10th grade classes. The 8th grade each month visits a new college around the state of New Jersey. They also sit in classrooms to see how a challenging education could lead them to a career that they want, as well as our younger students having an accelerated program such as extra classes on Saturdays to keep students not just for remedial but to get ahead for the following year. So our school is very rigorous and challenging. As for results, being, like I said, a 3-year school, I talked to my building principal. We are the #1 school according to our PARCC testing, both math and ELA. As for the relationships and the rigor, like I said, we're working on building those relationship and curriculum for our school year. I chose the 3 PSELs, on the basic fact that our school, and especially district, is students first. A lot of teachers, we have a new superintendent, aren't really sure the new changes, but each change is for our students. So some of the things that I talked about my principal when I asked what kind of a leader would he consider himself to be. He didn't really have one style, but talking off topic, if I had to, in my opinion, describe my principal styles, is he does a really good job laying the foundation of what staff needs to do. And as long as the staff is doing that, he will do anything for you to help you achieve your goal in your classroom, as well as like I'm doing now, outside of school type stuff. Some of the improvements he feels that we need in our school is the relationships. One thing I mentioned when he was talking about some of the programs are, well, most of our outreach programs are for the younger students and their families, and I feel that maybe we need to involve adults at the higher levels to really get an idea of what we do in our school and how we're preparing their students for high school. Like I said, the relevance. We're working on new curriculum. We're trying to separate from the public school aspect of our district and using that and adding more rigorous expectations to our curriculum. I hope I gave you an idea how my school district implements the 5 R's, and I can't wait to see everyone else's videos. Thank you. Have a great night.